In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password in Adobe Acrobat. If you have a PDF that opens with password protection and you want to remove that security so the file is easier to access in the future, Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to do it. Before you begin, make sure you already know the password for the document and that you have permission to remove the protection. This process is meant for files you own or are authorized to edit. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat with the PDF file you want to work on already open. Once the document is visible on your screen, take a quick moment to confirm that it's the correct file, especially if you work with multiple PDFs. That helps avoid making changes to the wrong document. Next, look for the All Tools option and click on it. This is where Acrobat groups together the main actions you can perform on your file. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. The wording or placement can vary a little depending on your version of Acrobat, but the tool you need will still be available from this area. From the tools list, click on Protect a PDF. Even though we're removing a password, this is the section where Acrobat manages document security settings. So if the name feels a little counterintuitive, that's completely normal. Once you're in the protection settings, click on Remove Security. At this point, Acrobat will begin the process of taking the password protection off the file. If the document is restricted, Acrobat may require confirmation before applying the change. This is a good safeguard because removing security changes how the file can be accessed going forward. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click OK to proceed. That confirms that you want to remove the password security from the PDF. After that, the protection is removed and the file will no longer require that password in the same way it did before. One helpful tip here is to save the document after making this change so the updated security settings are preserved. If you close the file without saving, your changes may not stick. Also, if you still need a secure version for sharing, consider keeping a separate protected copy before removing the password from your working version. And that's it. By opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, going to All Tools, selecting Protect a PDF, choosing Remove Security, and confirming with OK, you can quickly remove password protection from your document.